There's really nothing like giving those old boats some new life. We love it. And John is getting ready to give our old Aquasport project boat some pumped up power with our project boat partners at Full Keel Marine.
John, our old Aquasport has never been treated like this before inside on the off season. It doesn't know what hit it.
Yeah, she's been tucked away here. We've been excited to get ready for the project of getting some fresh power on her with Yamaha.
I've always wondered, do I go used power on this thing? Is it worthy of new power? Do we try to keep the old V6, as I call her, the smoke show, running for another season? But you've had a good solution here at Full Keel Marine and Yamaha for us.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So last year Yamaha came out with what they called the Golden Opportunity. It allowed some earlier models of the 4.2 V6s, the non-integrated steering models, which would be a direct replacement for this with hydraulic, to come in at a very competitive pricing. And for this particular project, it just makes sense. We've got a pretty decent trade-in program that we run, and we're running a promotion now this month. What we're doing is we're just looking at the Yamaha customers who've had successful 10, 12 years of boating with their what was once new power to them, and it still has equity, value. But then stepping into something newer for them, brand new, which is going to ideally provide them with another 10 to 15 years of flawless boating, trouble-free.
What are you going to give me for the old V6 here?
Yeah, I think this here fully running, compression checked. We got some readings there.
About $10.
Truthfully, this motor will probably go out the door for about 500.
All right. John, is our old Aquasport really worthy of this?
Absolutely, absolutely. With a strong hull, strong transom, and you got a great platform. You love the boat. It's really what drives people to move up and upgrade the motor. What we're thinking for you here is same as this one here. This was a twin DEC control hydraulic steering repower, and that's exactly what we're going to be getting on the project boat. Hey John, let's take a step aboard this. We got a twin 250 repower going on now. We got the rigging installed, and we're going to show you what gauges and controls you're looking at.
You guys are cranking with a repower.
Yeah, it's a busy winter, and we're grateful for it.
All right, let's go. These are the gauges and controls. This is a dual you're doing here. We'll have a single, right?
That's correct. Yeah, this is a twin repower we got going now. But in the series of controls and gauges, this is exactly what you'll be looking at. Starting over here with the control box, you'll be single lever. The 6X9 control box is excellent. We've got start-stop feature on the control box. Coming over to the key switch, we got the key on with a push-button start, okay, and your safety lanyard. And then working our way over to the gauges here, you'll end up with your tack and your speed and fuel management.
Currently, I have the clank alert, which is, it alerts me when I'm going into drive or reverse because I get that clank. Am I still going to have the clank alert on this system?
Yeah, you're not. Your engine's going to be equipped with a match propeller that we're going to test and get the right pitch for speed and RPM. But also in that prop, it's got the shift dampening system. So the SDS is what makes that all go away.
Let's see how they're doing getting the old smoke show off that Aquasport.
Yeah, sounds good, buddy.
All right, man. John, I feel like there should be like a ceremony.
Yeah,
can we blow taps or do something for this old girl coming up our old boat?
I think taps would be appropriate. Yeah, we got the unmounting here. So the team here has just got the motor off. It's going to give us our final look at the transom.
John, pretty good here, right? You've already done the moisture test on this.
Yes, sir.
Transom,
That's right.
What else do you look for?
Yeah, we're looking obviously for cracking. Not just right here, but we're looking towards the extents. Cracking, we're looking at the scupper tubes, make sure those are intact. That's obviously a real easy way to get water in. And most importantly, we're looking to make sure we don't see any water coming out. So, you got a solid transom.
So the new power just bolts right on?
Yeah, bolts right on. So this will all get cleaned up. We'll get a clean surface.
All right, so we're going to follow it through the process. And of course, Full Keel Marine, 100% full service. You're taking this thing from getting the old girl off to putting the new one on to wiring and controls and out the door.
All the way through. You got it. Absolutely.
And as always, you can find more Project Boat at driftsociably.com and at driftsociably on social media. And find the full Project Boat series on our YouTube channel at Drift Sociably.